It begins with a subtle new light in the night sky. At first, it's barely noticeable, a faint glimmer among the familiar constellations, easily mistaken for a distant star or a passing satellite, but for those who pay close attention to the heavens, something feels different. Astronomers notice first, this isn't a comet or asteroid. Their instruments detect a strange movement, a trajectory that doesn't match anything in their databases. The object's path is unique, and its brightness grows with each passing night. It's a rogue planet, a cosmic wanderer, now reflecting sunlight as it enters our solar system. Unlike anything seen before, it drifts alone, untethered to any star, its surface scarred by eons of isolation in the void. Days pass. The object grows brighter, visible to the naked eye. People everywhere begin to notice the new light, sparking curiosity and wonder. Social media buzzes with speculation and amateur photos. Public curiosity turns to fear as scientists confirm, after urgent calculations and sleepless nights, that it's on a direct collision course with Earth. The news spreads rapidly, igniting a wave of anxiety across the globe. The world unites in shock. For the first time, humanity faces a single, inescapable fate. Borders and differences fade as everyone looks skyward, searching for answers and hope. The rogue planet swells in the sky, soon outshining Venus and Jupiter. Its presence dominates every evening, impossible to ignore, a constant reminder of what's coming. It becomes a disk, a second, smaller moon, its frozen continents visible through telescopes. Amateur astronomers share images of its icy mountains and shadowy craters, marveling at the detail. Awe and dread replace panic. There's nothing we can do. The world holds its breath, united in helpless anticipation. Our technology is powerless against a planet moving at thousands of miles per second. No weapon, no shield, no plan can alter its course or slow its approach. We watch as our celestial executioner grows, a constant reminder of the universe's indifference. Each night, it looms larger, casting a shadow over our hopes and dreams. The cosmos, once a source of wonder, now reveals its brutal side. The beauty of the stars is tinged with menace, and the vastness of space feels suddenly claustrophobic. Immense objects move by immutable laws of gravity. The universe cares nothing for our stories or our survival. We, on our small blue world, are simply in the wrong place at the wrong time. Our planet, so full of life and history, is just another target in the endless dance of celestial bodies. The final act of Earth's story is about to be written, not by us, but by the cold mathematics of orbital mechanics. As dawn breaks, we wait, knowing the universe will continue on, indifferent to our fate. As terrifying as this scenario may seem, it's important to remember that it's not without precedent in our solar system's history. Catastrophic impacts have shaped planets before, leaving behind evidence that we can still observe today. The giant impact hypothesis suggests that our moon was born from just such a cosmic catastrophe, a violent collision that forever changed the fate of our planet. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object named Theia slammed into the young Earth with unimaginable force, unleashing energy beyond anything we can comprehend. The impact was so intense that it vaporized entire oceans, melted much of Earth's surface, and sent a vast cloud of debris hurtling into orbit around our planet. Over time, that swirling debris gradually came together, coalescing under gravity's pull to form the moon we see shining in our night sky. The rocks brought back from the moon reveal a composition strikingly similar to Earth's mantle, providing strong evidence in support of this dramatic theory. So when we look up at the moon, we're not just seeing a distant world, we're witnessing a monument to a colossal cosmic collision that shaped our very existence. Our planet has endured and survived such devastating impacts before, emerging changed but resilient, a testament to the power of renewal. In the grand theater of the universe, worlds collide, and, from chaos, new worlds are born. Weeks before impact, the rogue planet looms as a massive disk in the sky, easily rivaling the moon in size and brightness. Its presence is impossible to ignore, casting an eerie glow over cities and countryside alike and filling people with a sense of dread and awe. Day and night, the world watches as this alien world grows ever larger, a constant reminder of the impending disaster. Its immense gravity wreaks havoc on Earth. Tides rise eightfold, flooding coastal cities permanently and turning once thriving neighborhoods into underwater ruins. The oceans surge far inland, swallowing roads, homes, and landmarks, while desperate residents flee to higher ground, leaving behind everything they know. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions erupt worldwide, shaking the ground and spewing ash into the atmosphere. Entire regions are rocked by tremors, and volcanoes that have slept for centuries suddenly awaken, adding to the chaos and destruction. The sky darkens with thick volcanic ash, blocking sunlight and plunging cities into a perpetual dusk. Storms rage with a fury never before witnessed, breaking all known scales and unleashing torrents of rain and lightning. Hurricanes with winds reaching 500 miles per hour, and city-wide tornadoes devastate entire continents. Buildings are torn apart, infrastructure is obliterated, and communication collapses. Governments struggle to maintain order, but many fall as chaos spreads. Survivors, battered and exhausted, look up at a world now dominating the sky, blotting out the sun and casting the land in shadow. The rogue planet's presence is overwhelming, a constant reminder of the unstoppable force bearing down on Earth. The rogue planet now appears hundreds of times larger than the moon, filling the sky from horizon to horizon. Its surface details are visible to the naked eye, making it feel impossibly close and menacing. The final hours are a crescendo of destruction. Lightning splits the sky, storms rage with unrelenting power, and darkness falls over the land. Nature's fury is unleashed in full, leaving devastation in its wake. Earth is plunged into a permanent twilight, the sun's light blocked by ash and the looming planet. The world is transformed into a shadowy, alien landscape, unfamiliar and terrifying. Humanity is helpless, forced to witness the ultimate power of nature and the cosmos. As the end approaches, unstoppable and absolute, all that remains is awe and fear in the face of the approaching doom. 3 minutes to impact, the rogue planet fills the sky. Its speed compresses the atmosphere, creating a superheated plasma flash. The impact side of Earth is instantly vaporized. Oceans boil away. Continents are scoured clean. The surface turned to gas. On the far side, seismic shock liquefies the ground, turning continents to magma. Earth's integrity shatters. The collision fractures the planet to its core. A wall of molten rock spreads at supersonic speed. Fire consumes from the outside, magma from within. The end is a rapid cascading series of planetary failures. Earth ceases to exist as a solid world. The impact is the final stroke. Earth's core destabilizes and melts. The planet collapses. Earth becomes a chaotic ball of plasma and molten rock. The collision hurls fragments into space. Some escape the sun, others bombard neighboring planets. Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn are scarred by Earth's remains. The solar system is forever changed by the violence. Where Earth once orbited, debris settles into a new asteroid belt. No trace of humanity remains, no fossils, no artifacts. Our legacy is reduced to cosmic dust. The story of Earth ends in silence. The solar system is changed. A new asteroid belt marks Earth's former orbit. Outer planets bear the scars of our destruction. Maybe a fragment of Earth seeds life elsewhere, but the reality is bleak. Humanity's story is erased, our existence forgotten. The odds of such a collision are astronomically low. Space is vast. The chance of a rogue planet hitting Earth is nearly zero. The universe is violent but also empty. Our planet is a rare sanctuary. This thought experiment reminds us, Earth is precious, fragile, and unique.